Shekar. In the previous video, I was talking about harmonium keys, and I also mentioned that any keys can be considered as sa. In this video, I will be playing few paltas in C sharp scale, that is Pehla Kal. Every musician practices paltas to improve their speed and clarity. It's very important to practice this. By doing this again and again, you will start recognizing the notes. Before playing palta, I would like to explain how to practice palta with the metronome beats. In one beat, if we make one sound, that is called first speed or ek gun in Hindi. In one beat, if you make two sounds, it is called dugun or the second speed. In one beat, if you are going to make four sounds, it is called fourth speed or chaugun. I'll just explain it with the metronome, how it goes. Before that, I'll just give a clap and I'll explain a small glance of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now let's try this with the metronome, and then I'll play the palto and the harmonium. Okay, now I'm having a metronome here. It is in 100 speed. I'll just demonstrate how the beats goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes like this. And keep shifting from first speed to the second speed and second speed to the fourth speed and coming back to the first speed. In this way, we can improve our rhythm sense and also controlling of the speed. Let's do the palta now and the harmonium. I hope you all remember the fingering tips that I have given in the previous video for C sharp scale. So, I'm keep shifting, and this practice is very important for the beginners especially. And I am again telling for the beginners, please don't do fourth speed, just stick with the first speed and the second speed. Now I'm going to play the same palta with the 3 octaves. practicing first speed and second speed. Now I will show the second palta. What will be the second step to practice on harmonium is to make our fingers more flexible. Each note two times. I'm playing each note two times and again doing the double of that. And after we are getting comfortable with this, and we will do that same thing each note four times. Now each note four times. Now after this we will be following 8 times. Like this, this moments will help you to make your hands flexible. And we will do that after this paltas, doing this paltas. If you are very comfortable with this paltas, then we can go ahead with another paltas. These paltas are really important, and especially playing in a rhythm is very important, which helps you to develop your flexibility of the hands, speed, clarity, and also helps you to recognize the notes. Hope you all like this session, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching me. In the next video, I'll be sharing you more paltas. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.